paper. Go. Why, hi, doggy. Go get him. You bending.
This bird better shut up. You should.
Oh, it's calling the other one.
Oh,
Get
it's
some
calling the
bread.
other one.
Get some
Ooh,
bread.
nah, no, I'm recording.
There it goes.
Oh, look, Vicky, there's one on your butt.
Get some bread.
It wants it heavy.
Look, here, I'll get it. Get some bread.
Look, if it's coming at me, tell me
Okay.
to swing. Roar!
Alright, let's go back.
I see, hurry up. Woo, woo.
Look at Ashley, record Ashley, not that.
I see, hurry up.
Shoot, doggy. Watch the dog catch it and run.
I see, hurry up.
It went through my head. It's
I see, hurry up. Bring it inside. Ashley, bring it inside.
You should have just put it on the tree.
Look at the birds.
They're attacking you.
Oh, look, a dog. Oh, I got it. Ashley!
Put it there. Put it on the tree.
Vicky, you're just...
Look, the cat's looking at
Look at all the birds. Oh my gosh.
The cat, you all let it to all the cats. It's gonna, the cats are gonna eat it.
Here, record me.
You're so dumb.
It's Vicky. She's so stupid.
Hurry up. Yeah, the cats are gonna get it. It already went in the bushes. Oh my god.
stupid birds.
There goes the mama bird. Just get it. The cats are gonna eat it.
Here. Do you want to get it?
You all had it in your hands. Why'd you let it go?